In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity scheduling into WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to acuityscheduling.com and proceed to click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. If you already have one, just proceed to click on this Login option right here. The good thing about this is they don't require any credit card. Now next, head over right here into your WordPress by going to wordpress.com. Now click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or click on this Login if you already have one. Since I already have an account on both of it, let me show you what it looks like. Here is my Acuity scheduling, and here is my WordPress below link. So right here, what we can do is we just need to embed our Acuity scheduling into WordPress. To do that, first head over right here into your WordPress right there. Into your actual homepage, proceed to click on this plugins option. Now you should be able to see your plugins marketplace. Click onto the search right here, and let's search in here for Acuity. Now proceed to click onto this search icon right here in order to search for it, and you should be able to see in here some forms that you can utilize. So if you still want to add or embed your Acuity scheduling, what you can do is you can just head over and then go over to your actual calendar, click onto the settings, and you can edit it availability, or click onto this calendar view right here. Just get the embed link right here and then add it into your actual page into your WordPress. You'll get its HTML by applying the changes you have made. Like for example, is this one. You can proceed to create another more appointment, some orders and the likes, and add them right here into your WordPress by editing to your homepage and editing your site through this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.